这是真的问题。有就很好玩的，反正老大是有个好朋友，他们肯定听着的。
The audio you just heard is of a Rapido driver who assaulted a minor and then called him back after the ride ended to ask him inappropriate questions. Spot On reported on this and even spoke to the survivor.
But in reality, you have not received any confirmation, right?
Yes.
As of now, the driver has been reportedly barred from the company. But when we reached out to the survivor, he told us something else.
Tried to report the Rapido team. They did not reply to me any. They said that they will assist us soon. And the soon was after very hours later, around 2 hours later.
Rapido ghosted him for us. They only responded in the comments after his reel blew up. And it was only after that they said the driver's been barred. Also, the minor has not filed a police complaint. He confirmed that to us himself. And that one detail opens up a whole Pandora's box. Because if he had gone to the police, here's what the law actually says about men and trans people facing sexual assault in India. Simple version, if you're a man or trans, the law doesn't call it rape. In 2024, India changed its criminal law from IPC to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. And the section that used to cover male and trans rape, section 377, got completely removed. So now, by law, rape can only happen to a woman. And if a man or trans person is raped, it legally gets treated as hurt. And this is exactly where patriarchy shows up, just flipped. And it's the same mindset you see the second a male survivor speaks up. Comment sections filled with other men mocking him. And more often than not, it's women, feminists, who are the first one to stand up for male survivors when they speak out. Men can be victims. Trans people can be victims. And our laws need to actually say that. Keep watching Spot On.